We be facing a $100 trillion black swan event? Folks, this isn't clickbait. This is the most recent warning coming out from the Bank of International Settlements, the central bank of central banks. Check this one out. Now, in the XRP community, we've definitely been talking about derivatives. We are talking about tokenizing an internet of value, and we talk about how the derivatives are potentially in the quadrillions of dollars. We don't even know because it's a shadow asset class. That is what the BIS is laying out here before you guys. So you can see 15 trillion in total US money supply, 50 trillion in world GDP, 100 trillion in total value of the world's stock and bond markets. And then we don't know how big the derivatives go, but we know many of them are toxic derivatives and FX swaps. This is a massive problem and potentially the next black swan event, according to the Bank of International Settlements. Now, it's incredibly difficult to gauge how big this problem is because we have what is called off-balance sheet derivatives. This is why some people call it the shadow asset class. What we can see is about 500 trillion worth of derivatives on balance sheets. Some estimates put the shadow asset class over potentially $2 quadrillion worth of derivatives. So a lot of us in the XRP community, we talk about all the money, and are we going to get all of derivatives, all of the stocks, all the bonds? Absolutely not. But what's important to understand is that we're investing in the technology that's going to help solve this problem after the whole system implodes. It's going to be distributed ledger technology like XRP that can actually scale to handle hundreds of trillions and even quadrillions of dollars worth of value. Does it all go to XRP? Absolutely not. But if we just get a little sliver, a little piece of that pie, well, we go to someplace a little bit higher than 50 cents, and that's going to be a fun journey that we're going to go on together. I appreciate all of you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.